Lab 1.4 has you making the Magic Genie program. So for this, we're going to use the new function that we learned, input, and we're going to be saving those inputs in a bunch of variables. So if you look at this, we're going to have a program that just says, I am a genie, you have 3 wishes. It's going to collect 3 wishes from a user's input. So what would you like to wish for? Cats, kittens, more cats. And then we're going to display their 3 wishes out. So let's take a look at how we could build this. It shouldn't be that difficult. We're going to go ahead and make a new file, and we will call it the Magic Genie. How do you spell genie?
You want me to tell you?
No.
Are you in the middle of a video?
Yep.
Hey guys, what's up?
Yep, it's Mr. Howarth. So really quick, we're going to throw a little shebang on the top. So our interpreter runs Python 3, and then we're just going to start with our program here. So the first thing we want to do is have the program introduce itself by just displaying some text on the screen. So for that, we're just going to use the function print. And we're going to pass it an argument that's a string that'll go, hello, I am a Magic Genie. You get 3 wishes.
G-E-N-I-E.
G-E-N-I-E. 3 wishes. There we go. It's not a spelling class. After that, we're going to collect some user input, and we need to collect 3 separate wishes. So we could use a variable. We're going to use 3 variables to store all 3 wishes. So we might go something like this, wish1 equals, and then we can go ahead and use our input function. And then remember that the input function takes an argument of a string as well that it can display on the screen, just like the print function. So we might go, what is your first wish? And that way we'll ask the person for a wish, they get to input it, and then that input will be saved as wish1. And then we could go wish2 equals the same thing, equals input, and then we can pass it, what is your second wish? And then let's collect a 3rd wish, wish3 equals input, what is your 3rd wish? Right? And then all we want to do at the end of this is we just want to be able to print out those 3 wishes. So go ahead and print out those variables. Should be easy enough because if you remember, the input function will always return a string. So all we need to do is put these strings together. So we might say something like this. We might print out a string that say, you wished for, put a little space there. We'll say the first wish. So you wished for wish1. Wish1 is already a string, so we don't need to convert it into a string. Plus, we might want to put a comma in between each wish. So we'll do wish1, and then we put in quotes a comma plus wish2, comma plus wish3. If we go ahead and try this program out really quick, I'm getting an error, bad input. You wished for wish1 plus wish2 plus wish3. I'm missing a plus right here. Plus comma, plus comma. There we go, that should work. What is your first wish? Cats, kittens, more cats. You wish for cats, kittens, more cats. Might just want to throw some spaces after the commas there. And might want to finish off with a period. Let's take a look at what that looks like. And that's it. That's your Magic Genie program. And I will let you figure out part 2 and part 3 on your own because they are very simple. Part 3 just has you replace some of this text with more variables. And part number 3 just has you switch the order that the variables appear in your last print statement. So it should be easy. Make sure you share and paste a link at the end. And good luck on Lab 1.04.